Hi there. Since it's cold and flu season and everyone seems to be getting sick, myself included, I thought I'd try to make some immunity shots. It calls for 5 to 7 lemons, 1 to 2 hunks of ginger, 3 cups of unfiltered water. You're going to add all of that into a blender. You're going to strain it, remove the pulp, put it back in the blender, just the juice, and then add in sugar and salt, honey and salt. And we're going to give it a try. It will last in the refrigerator up to, different websites say different things. Could be 7 days, could be 3 weeks, but we're going to give it a go. So it calls for 2 chunks of ginger. So we are going to cut off 2 chunks of ginger. So wow, that's really hard. It smells delicious. It smells so bright and fresh. I know it doesn't taste like it smells, but it smells delicious. So I don't have a blender. I gave mine away. I have a food processor, so I'm going to trim up the ginger a little bit and then cut it into smaller chunks because I'm going to try to use my food processor for this. It seems kind of woody. I don't know if that's normal. I don't really eat much ginger or cook with it a lot. Okay. Now it says to slice off, try to take off as much of the pith and the rind as possible so that it's not bitter. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And now we're going to blend it. And we now are going to strain it. The Refine Mesh Strainer or sieve. Get all that pulp. Now we are going to put it back in to the blender or food processor, since that's all I've got. And we are going to add honey, local honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons. So I've got my little tablespoon measuring cup. That's 2. And that's 3. And the recipe says to blend this for 2 minutes. Since I don't have any of those cute little shot glasses or bottles that they use, I'm going to use these little half jelly jars. Okay, so we are just going to transfer all of this delicious goodness into those little jars. And I don't know how many. Okay, that's perfect. So we're basically just giving it an inch of headspace. And because I don't want to go and get more of that size jar down from the shelf, we're going to improvise. So I basically know that one of these is what's in here, so I can just pour this into the little measuring cup and it'll be the same amount. Guess I could have done that, couldn't I? Okay. Well, okay, that wasn't hard. Not even that time consuming. Let's give it a taste. Wow. That's actually really good. It was just surprising. You can taste the ginger, but the lemon cuts it a lot. One thing I did was I forgot to put the salt in. So I'll just salt it before I drink it. If you're sick and nothing else seems to work, give it a try. And it's not a bad idea to just have an immunity boost here and there. And as soon as you start to feel like you're not feeling your best or you're overly tired, your body may be fighting something. So I suggest giving them a try.